Assalamu alaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah is most mighty and most merciful. Welcome back to my channel CodewithSR. In this channel, you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and many more. So today in this video, you are going to learn so much important thing in HTML and which is used for all things. So first of all, I am going to introduce you from HTML basics, which is most important part of HTML. We will learn this. After that, we will able to do all of the things. We are able to do HTML. We are able to do HTML projects and everything. So we are going to do HTML basic. What is HTML basics? As you can see, this is an HTML basic. In HTML basics, we know how does the code, how does the syntax, how does the syntax look like. You can see this code. This code is said to be syntaxed, and this is the view, as you can see. So today we are going to learn these things in full detail. So let's start. First of all, here HTML basics. HTML basics start from the Doctype. First of all, HTML page, HTML code start from the Doctype. The basics start from the Doctype. The Doctype is the structure of HTML which help the page to write code. Doctype is basically Doctype is a structure. Like HTML is structure of web development, so we need a structure for HTML too. So the Doctype is the structure of HTML which help the page to write code. This Doctype help HTML to contain the things, the code. The code, you can say the code like, you can say the code electricity, water, gas. You can say it. In HTML, there are three types to write Doctype. There are three ways, there are three types to write Doctype. First of all, HTML5. We can write a Doctype with HTML5. Basically, they are saying that, can you see this? This is an house. What is that? An house. First of all, you got your house like this. But when the house is building, the house look like this, without any window, without any door. So basically, the pillars, first of all, house look like this. To stand the house straight and do not wiggle, do not fall down, we use pillars so the house do not fall down. So these pillars are the structure. So that's like the Doctype is the structure. So there are three ways to write the Doctype: HTML5, exclamation mark, and Doctype, which look like this. The code, the syntax look like this. So let's start. I will do it like this and then open my folder. I will open my folder in my code and then I will click to the open with my code. I am using VSCO code. If you doesn't had seen my previous video, go and see that. You will be able to do all of the things in minutes. Not in minutes, you can do it in seconds. There we go. As you can see, my Visual Studio Code, my VS Code is being opened. I will open my code file and create here a new file, which is going to be named by 1.html. Now we are able to start our work. I will close this and I will zoom in. Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus. So the first thing is you can write HTML5. Okay, let us try. HTML, enter. There we go. The Doctype is here. The second way to write Doctype is exclamation mark. Wow, it's amazing. And number 3 is doc. Right, doc. There we go. These 3 are most important part to write an HTML code. Let's study the structure. Let us see how will that work. We know that the HTML structure is most important, but we don't know that what is the structure of it. Let me tell you what I am saying. I will do the color black and do the font size bigger, so I can easily tell you with. There we go. It's right. Now, first of all, you have to know that what are these? HTML len. And what is this? Basically, this is the start. What? This is the start and this is the end. This is the end. Language is English. EN means English. And this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. After that, we see the head. Now, what is the head? In head, first of all, we got meta tags. When we will go further in HTML, we will study. Now, let us skip the meta tags. In next video, we will do meta tags. So, after skipping meta tag, we can see the title. What? The title. So, what is title? Let me tell you this. Basically, this title is the tab name. Like you can see, this is a new tab. If I write here HTML, so the tab name go to HTML Google search. Like that, we have ability to write our own, and then we will get the main body. What is body? Let me explain. Basically, body is the main structure where we are going to write our code. Here we will write our code like this. So that's the full structure of it. So as you can see, it is not hard, it is not easy. It's medium. Let me tell you one more amazing thing. That if I write any code here and then go to my live, I will see the example. Okay, I will see what I edited. But if I don't use this and write the tag like a heading tag or a title, it will be work. But no, the main focus will be on Doctype. Like I am going to tell you that here you can see I will write here an example, hello, what, and I will show you by going into my file, into my Chrome, my page where I am going to see the live. Here you go, hello world. But if I remove this all and write hello world, it shows the same. But you can see that showing code.html the same here. And if you said that, we can write here the title. Let me show you. Title. Hello. It's done. But the meta tags will help it to open in mobile in every tab. That's why we use Doctype. So that's my whole video. In this video, you are going to able to know the basic, the main structure of it. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet you in the next video with my new client, and take care and Allah Hafiz.